G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal, a couple of bits of Koroite mixed in with it. Boulder Opal's from an unknown field, rules in millimetres. It's 150 mils wide there, 15 centimetres. Material's been wetted. The white you're just seeing, like on that piece, is the light reflecting. Okay, I've just gone in a bit. I'll start with the Koroite material. Quite nice piece there. Give you a few slices. The other noticeable piece of Koroite's this piece. This pattern and colour there. Get a few nice stones out of these. Another piece of Koroite. Purple starting to show up here. And yet another piece of Koroite. That's big enough for a stone there by itself. And the rest, I think, is Boulder Opal. I don't know where from. This probably grind off to get to the opal face. You can see it there. A band of colour there. Whether it goes in very far, I don't know. Another larger piece of potch on the face there. Something like that's just good to practice, to shape and carve. That's what it is. It's basically, most of this is practice material, although the Koroite should cut you some nice stones. This is probably just gone into the deal from off a larger stone, but it's there, it's yours, no charge. Interesting pattern and shape there. Picture stone. Possibly another level there. And last, at least, a couple of seams of opal here. Opal potch. Like I said, some of it's not high grade, but it's a good place to start with something that doesn't cost you a lot of money. I think the Koroite material, you should end up with some nice stones out of that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.